Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super easy and delicious spaghetti casserole. So if you want to know how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, half a pound of sausage, 1 pound of spaghetti, 48 ounces of your choice of pasta sauce, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, Italian blend cheese, half of a small white onion, half of a bell pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our meat. So we're going to grab our pan, set it at medium high heat, and to that we're going to add a little bit of oil. Once hot, we're going to add our onion along with the bell pepper, and we're going to saute for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our ground beef and sausage. We're going to add our seasonings. And we're just going to break it down and allow it to fully cook. Okay, and after 7 minutes, we're going to remove the grease from the meat. Okay, and once we remove the grease, we're going to add 24 ounces of our pasta sauce. Okay, so mix well and just give it a couple minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, our meat sauce is ready, so we're going to set it to the side so we can make our pasta. Okay, so I already have my water boiling. I'm going to be adding salt along with my spaghetti. And I'm just going to allow it to cook for 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes, our spaghetti is not fully cooked, but we're going to drain the water. Okay, once we have our spaghetti, now we can get ready to put it all together. Okay, so once we're ready to put it all together, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, now we are ready to make our cheese mixture. In a bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese, and we're going to begin to break it down. So just make sure that it is at room temperature so it's easier. To that we're going to add our ricotta cheese, sour cream, and 2 cups of our cheese. So just mix it all together. Okay, and I'm just going to be seasoning with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Okay, and just like that, we have our cheese mixture. So we're going to set it to the side and get our baking dish ready. Okay, for our baking dish, we're going to grease it with butter and make sure that it has a good layer of butter. Now we're going to add our spaghetti. Just make sure that it is nice and layered. To that, we're going to add our other 24 ounces of sauce. Okay, so just mix it together. Now we're going to top it with our cheese mixture. Okay, just begin to spread it all nice and even. Okay, now we're going to layer our meat. Just make sure that you spread it all nice and even as well. Okay, and lastly, we're going to layer our cheese. I'm just going to add mozzarella cheese by itself. Okay, so now we're going to place it in the oven and allow it to bake for 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, after 30 minutes, we have our delicious spaghetti casserole ready. Okay, so I allow it to sit for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. So I just garnish with a little bit of parsley. And we're just going to cut into it as we would cut a lasagna. And just like that. Scoop and serve. Alrighty, and I'm just going to be serving with a side of broccoli and garlic bread. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious and it is so easy to make. I love spaghetti, my kids love spaghetti, we all love spaghetti, so it's honestly one of our favorites. And of course, you know, this is perfect if you have a busy day and you want to make it the day before. Just refrigerate the whole casserole, and then, you know, once you get home and then you're ready to have dinner, you can stick it in the oven, allow it to do its thing, and then you can have a delicious spaghetti. I am so ready, and just like that, you can get ready to enjoy. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So flavorful. My favorite. Cheese, pasta, everything all in one. It's so good. So good. If you love spaghetti and lasagna, you're going to love this one. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious spaghetti casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.